It wasn't that long ago when a rear-wheel drive Holden Commodore or Ford Falcon was the default mode of transport for families and fleet buyers. Those wanting a bit more poke opted for V8 or turbocharged 6-cylinder variants to increase the smile factor. But today, that's all changed. People have fallen out of love with big cars and in love with SUVs. In fact, over 50% of cars sold now are SUVs. Holden's decision to stick with the Commodore name for its next generation of large car hasn't fallen on deaf ears. In fact, most of you have been scathing of Holden's decision to use the Commodore name on a fully imported model. We've brushed it to one side today, and hit the road for Holden's top-secret proving ground in Lang Lang, Victoria, to see whether the new Opel Insignia-based Holden Commodore stacks up as a Commodore and lives up to that famous name. The drive day included a chance to test both petrol engine variants of Holden's new Commodore, back-to-back with the current generation V6-powered Fiat Commodore. Holden will launch the next-generation Commodore in Australia early next year with a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol, a 3.6-litre 6-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol and a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel. The 2.0-litre unit will produce 191 kilowatts of power and 350 newton-meters of torque. It'll sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 7.0 seconds and will use less than 8.0 liters of fuel per 100 km. It will be offered exclusively in front-wheel drive, with a 9-speed automatic gearbox, and will be available in both hatchback and wagon. The 3.6-liter V6 steps it up a notch, producing 230 kilowatts of power and 370 newton-meters of torque. It moves from standstill to 100 km per hour in around 6.0 seconds and will use